Hi guys. So I vacuumed this rug, top, flipped it over, back, flipped it over again, the top, and I had gotten 4 ounces of dirt from it. But now I'm gonna see if I use the CRB, will it make it cleaner? So I'm using a new one. Let me show you. It's brand new, untouched. There's nothing in there. Totally clean. Mostly fibers. Thank you. So there's very little dirt. I mean, there is dirt, but this is mostly fiber. Basically, what we learned was when you vacuum a rug, top, then the back, and then the top again, and you use this screen, and you use a dual motor vacuum cleaner, then there's nothing really left in the carpet. When I used the CRB to prove this point, wasn't able to get out any dirt, hardly any dirt. Almost all of it was just the fiber, just the loose fiber on the rug. So there you can see that if you do a good job of vacuuming, it usually will not even need any further cleaning. Of course, you can clean it, that's part of the thing, but if you do a good job, it also will make your cleaning job easier. So there you go.
Come check us out at magicwandcompany.com.